Hello everyone, welcome to all my dear student in this online lecture. Today is your computer subject and I am your computer teacher. My name is Shweta Yadav and today's our topic is paint, and if the time is remaining then we can again open the Microsoft Office Word program. So before starting our lecture, I hope you all are fine at your home. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and wash your hand continuously with alcohol based hand rub. Cover your mouth with the nose mask, right? And avoid the close contact who has a flu like symptoms. So it is for you. Take care of yourself. And now in the previous lecture what we will study, the Microsoft Office Word formatting a letter, right? Now in this lecture we can again reopening our paint program. It is for enjoying the computer lecture. So we can draw anything. If you are having a computer at your home, so you have to open the paint program and you can start draw anything in your computer white page, right? The paint page, and draw shapes, fill the colors, draw designs also using the paint. So let's start our paint program and we can draw something new here, right? Okay, now see, this is our desktop window, right? We are opening our computer and you can see the welcome screen, and this is screen we call desktop window. In every lecture I will tell you that it is our desktop window, right? Now in the desktop window what we have to find, in every lecture I will repeat this sentence. For a search tab you can see the taskbar. In the circle you have to click and write here which program, paint program spelling, because we are now open the paint program, so we can write a paint spelling. Okay, so we have to write PAINT, paint. So you can see here the paint icon again is display. So click the mouse left button and you can see it, correct? So this is our paint window, but you can see here is a not ribbon, the color and shapes. So where it is? It is at a home. Where? It is at a home. Now you can see whenever I come to this page, what happens? The ribbon is hidden here. It cannot display on the page, right? So for that what we have to do? We have to again click on the home tab. But you can see, if for example I will take these shapes and draw, see the ribbon is again disappear from this, right? For pin up this, click on this and you can see this here pin, click on this pin, so it can embed here. Now it cannot disappear from the screen. You can see it is here, right? So you can understand that here we can use the pin, right? Now you have idea that whenever we are opening the new program page, so we have to first save the document, right? What we have to do? Save the document. So here it is our save icon. You can see here the save, Control S. You can see this Control S, CTRL plus S, here it is written. Whenever I am go in the save icon you can see it, right? So from the keyboard we have to press this both key. It is called shortcut keys. What it's called? Shortcut keys. So CTRL, it is the control key. Which key? Control key. And plus S, it means we have to press this S letter key and the control key both at a time, so this document is automatically saved and opening the save dialog box. For example, now see, we are open virtual keyboard here. On screen keyboard we can on it. Now you can see this is our virtual keyboard. Now you can see whenever I am pressing using the my keyboard, so you can see here the highlighted color. For example, I am pressing S. So S is caps lock control key. For example, here caps lock is pink. Why? Because now caps lock key is on. For example, I am again pressing the caps lock, so you can see the pink color is not appear here. For example, again I am pressing the caps lock key, so it is here pink, it is highlighted that caps lock key is on. You can see the capital letters all. Yes, and what is the use of caps lock key? For writing in a capital letter, right? Now see, I am pressing control key, so you can see the CTRL key highlighted with the pink color, so it means I am pressing the control key from my keyboard. Now you can see S. See, I am pressing the control S, right? So here is the document. See, save as dialog box is appear, right? You can see this save as dialog box is appear. Why it's appear? Because the shortcut key control S I will press. Okay, now here backspace key, right? So what we give here demo 1, it is our file name, and where we save it in the picture, this PC pictures demo 1 will be saved. So again you can see here the demo 1 is written. Now close the keyboard, because now no need of keyboard, because our file is now saved. Here you can see the name, read the name, DEMO1, demo 1. So now our paint file it will save. This lecture it will again I will opening the paint program, so you can enjoy the computer lecture. Now at your home you can draw anything. What? At your home you can draw anything. Now we can see here shapes. So what we have to do? Draw something new. So what first of all we do? Click the mouse left button from your first finger. Now come here and drag it. So it is here, right? It is here. So we can arrange the shapes in the different directions. What we do? Arrange the shapes with the different direction. Yes, we can choose shapes like this, and we can draw something new, colorful, right? Colorful things. Use another shapes for making picture attractive. Yes, star shapes, drag it here, our star shapes. You can see how can I arrange? I arrange with my personal vision. You can also arrange your shapes with your vision whenever you need to put them, right? It is called, what it's called? Star. What it's called? Star. And star I think I put on top, this side. Now again you can see another shapes remaining. Circle is not here, so we can put our circle shape here, right? The circle shapes here. Now the polygon shapes, you can see the polygon shapes means you can draw anything with your idea. What? With your idea. For example, again I am drawing something new, line here, now here, now here, and now this point. So you can see the polygon shapes, how it's work. It is used for draw something new. What? Draw something new shape. For example, again I am pressing this standing line, sleeping line, sorry. Come here, again here, now here. So you can see how can I draw the shapes with the polygon shape, with the help of polygon. You can see it. You can see, right? how we can draw it. Again one line here, here the shapes, right? Now drag it here. So how the polygon shape is work here, right? And how we can arrange the shapes. Okay, now which one is remain? Which one? Arrow. So we can also draw arrow here, right? For example, again I have to copy this arrow. Now I have to rotate this arrow. What? Rotate. You can see the difference. For example, first if I draw here, so it is like this in the right side. Which side? Right side. Now I have to rotate these shapes. So 90 degree I will rotate. So you can see it comes downside arrow. Which side? Downside. With the rotation you can change the directions, right? For now I will choose 90 degree directions at the downside. So we can put here our arrow. Now which shapes? This one. Now I have to rotate this 180. Sorry, I have to rotate this left side 90 degree. Which? Left side 90 degree, and I will put here. Now you can see that it looks so messy, right? How it looks so messy look. But we can try our draw something new, attractive. What we have to try to do? Draw something new and attractive. So here again we can fill the shapes, right? Again draw the star shapes, arrange something here. For example, no need, then delete, right click and delete. Now you can see color can for filling the color, right? Color can for filling the color. So choose any color to fill in the color. But now you can see the color which cannot fill in the all our shapes, right? It only at the line edges fill color. For example, here I want to fill this color. Now I will take light green color. So here I have to put light green color shade. So I will fill in this area light green color shapes, right? Now which shapes? In which color? For example, red shade. In the heart shape we can fill the red color, right? Now blue color I will think fill here, 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 and this small portion. Here is a small portion. So I choose that I have to fill in this small area with the blue shade. Now choose another color, green shade, dark green. I think it not suit here. So again take it here, right? So I will fill these shapes. Now you can see the edit color is come here. So click on the edit color. For example, I will click in this shade, this one, add to custom color. Now in the blue shade I will choose this color, add custom color. For pink shade I will choose this one, pink shade. So custom color. The bottle green color I will choose this one color. So add custom color. In this peach color I will choose something darker, this color. So add custom color. Now you can see our add 5 colors. So okay. Now fill this color. Here I am to fill. Here I have to fill. Here also. Here also. Here also. Oops. What happened? Our border color change here. So it is our mistakes. I do mistake here. I want black color border, but here the color is change. So what again I have to do? What again I have to do? You can see this arrow, undo arrow. So again it comes in the black shade. Why? Because we can undo the arrow. We can undo the arrow. So now see, the picture is look like something messy, but now fill another color, gray color. Choose gray color to fill the shapes. So we can fill the gray color also here, right? Here also we can fill the gray color. Here also. Here we can fill. Here also. Now add custom color. You can choose this green color. Okay. So green color is come here. Fill here in the darker area where we want to see this green color, dark shade here. Now edit color, another one pink color. Okay. So now you can see the pink color is come. So fill the pink color whenever you want to fill this pink color. I will choose in this area to fill this pink color. Now edit the color and another remaining color, this one. Choose it, add it and fill when you want to fill this color. Okay. Now you can see some white area portion is remaining here. So again edit color, choose the color from here, add custom color, this one. Okay. Now fill it. Remaining places, oops, again. So undo, fill it here. So now see, our picture something like this. We can choose the different shapes, fill the different shapes, right? Now you can see the brush here. Now with the brush you can see how it's work, right? So I undo these all things, but I will choose the color, this one. For example, I will take, so it is so light color, right? So I don't need this color. So undo it. We can choose something new color from this palette. Which color we want to choose? For example, I will choose from this color something, this one. Add custom color. Okay. Resize our shapes, right? In this corner you can see the area, right? So you can see the color, it's come here with this. Now you can see it is like we are doing watercolor with the brush, right? In the paint window, right? In the page we can do something, right? We can do something like this, but it is here don't we need this. So we can choose another crayon color, for example. So it is look like a crayon. For example, we are a crayon it on the page, right? You can see it is working like crayon, right? But I also doesn't need it. So take another brush. For example, it is like marker. For example, I need to write my S letter. So you can see its texture is like marker. I also doesn't need this. For example, this is, you can see the light brush. Which light brush? Now for example this, So it is a spray pump, right? Spray. So this is idea about the brushes. Now again the color can, right? Choose any color which you want to fill in the background. So fill that color you want to set in the background. For example, this yellow color is look like good. It's nice. But I want yellow in different shades, so I will choose this color custom. Okay, now I fill this color here. So our picture is something like this. We can put the shapes here in the different directions. We can fill the colors in the shapes. We can set the background color yellow with this, right? For example, we have to erase here. For example, I want to become this eraser bigger. So Control plus, so it comes large. So eraser comes here. So now see, click the mouse button. Now you can see this box is written. Click the mouse button. 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 You can see how I will do eraser. Put where you want to erase and press the mouse left button. What? Press the mouse left button where you want to erase, right? Where you want to erase. So I will erase here because I want to erase this area, right? So in the square shape you can see how it will work. Mouse left key and we can erasing. You can see how it's work. It is the area whenever we go through eraser. You can see how it's work. See, right? I will erase something, some area of this picture in the different directions. You can see I will not choose a specific direction. I will choose the random directions. So here the picture change our look. You can see the picture change our look. You can see how it's designed, the pattern, the color of picture change, right? The remaining portion I will do something spacing eraser with this help. So it's complete. So we can draw something like this using the eraser. For example, we doesn't need the, we can undo the all things if you don't want. So it come empty again. You can see I will pressing the undo arrow and the all erasers are gone from here only, right? So this is our paint picture and we can done here this paint picture. So now here you can see this magnifier. For example, we have to see this, so you can see the area. It comes larger because we can use our magnifier. For example, I will again here, so come minus 200. So our picture is here 25, so it's so small. 50% we can set here. Now text, capital A letter, you can see the click here, and for example write here different shapes, but it is not readable, right? But it is not readable. Now for here Control A, so select all the font, select the style from this font. If you want to change the style, right? For example, written again it different shapes and different color, right? Control A. So select all the font. Now again change the font style. Change the style which you want. Increase the size from here. For example, I will choose the 36 size, but now you can see it will be hidden. Why? Because our square shape is here. Now you can see the color is this, because the default color here we can choose this. So here it is our picture, you can see, right? Different shapes and different color we can written here. So it is our picture. Now at your home you can try this picture, use the different shapes, fill in the shapes with the different color, choose from these edit colors, right? Choose from here light shade, darker shade, choose the color here we want to fill, right? So this is our paint program. Again we can do this. So now again if you want to draw something in your computer, so you can draw it at your home, right? And whenever we come to school, so you can also draw, start your computer, because you know everything, right? So this lecture I will stop here. Bye everyone. Take care. Do something in your computer if you are having. Make a practice of your computer. Open the at least you have to open the computer or laptop, and you want to see which program you have in your computer, right? The small things you have to notice in your computer, and whenever you come again back to school, so you have to tell me. You can see in your computer at your home, you can do these things, you can do these things, right? So we can say that you have learned the computer. So bye everyone. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.